Alright guys, I got them tied up about as best I could. I got everything up high on the engine and got everything taped up and according to the directions. Let's see. Turn on the ignition key and the red LED will light up. Crank the engine, wait until it reaches operating temperature. Start the adjustment with quarter turns, clockwise. After each turn, test the throttle response, power, and acceleration on the fly. Make tests riding your ATV. Now, nobody's messed with that screw or anything since I bought it. And we'll go ahead and put the cover back on this. Get all my tools off of it. And put the center back in it, I think. Yeah. Alright. This is the easiest thing in the world to do, but I guarantee you I have trouble with it. Okay. Now, everything is right where it's supposed to be. That's right there. Alright. Now, we'll put the passenger seat in. Slide it, it catches under them straps. And it snaps in, like so. Lay it back down. And I'm going to have to do something on my tools, which I will later I get it mounted. Seats in. Everything's in. Looks like the wires is clearing pretty good. And I'll go put my stuff up. I can't wait to try this baby out. Yeah. And get my other extra tools. Alright, we can close the hood on him. We'll go ahead and start him up, let him get up to operating temperature. Well, it's going to be a little bit before it gets up to operating temperature. I'm going to switch it over and take my GoPro on my head. That way I can stop and adjust this thing without holding this camera. So stay tuned for more.